Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can recreate two of Excel's most popular formulas, SUMIF and COUNTIF, right inside Power BI. If you're used to crunching numbers in Excel but have been wondering how to do those same conditional calculations in Power BI, you're absolutely in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll be confidently adding SUMIF and COUNTIF logic to your Power BI reports, and you'll understand how it all fits together. Let's dive in. So first things first. Here I've got some formulas ready for you. Don't worry about copying them down right now, because I'll put each one in the video description for you to use later. For this example, let's assume your table is called sales. That way, if you want to follow along or test this with your own data, you won't run into any naming issues. Now, just like in Excel where you have your rows and your formulas, in Power BI we handle this a little differently. We organize our calculations inside what's called a measure table. Creating a dedicated measure table is a best practice. It keeps all your formulas organized in one spot, making it much easier to manage as your report grows. Once you've got your measure table set up, here's what you'll do. First, take the SUMIF formula I've provided, just highlight it and copy it. Next, go to your measure table over on the fields list, right-click and select New Measure. This brings up the formula bar where you can paste in that SUMIF formula. Hit Enter, that's it. You've now added your first measure that mimics the SUMIF behavior from Excel. But it's smarter and more dynamic because Power BI measures update instantly based on any filters or slicers you apply. Ready for the next one? Now do the same with the SUMIFS formula. Again, copy the formula, right-click your measure table, select New Measure, paste, and hit Enter. SUMIFS allows for multiple conditions. Think of it as all the sales where the product is socks and the location is New York. It's super handy when you need to analyze more complex business questions. For the COUNTIF formula, repeat the steps. Copy, right-click, New Measure, paste, Enter. COUNTIF is perfect when you want to count how many times a specific criteria is met, how many orders above $100, for example. We're almost there. The last one is COUNTIFS, which is just like COUNTIF, but lets you set more than one condition. Copy the formula, New Measure, paste, Enter. You're building up your toolkit of analytic power here, all without leaving Power BI. Once you've created all these measures, take a moment to check over your formulas. Sometimes you might see a small typo or a missing column name, and it's always easier to catch things now before building out your visuals. Now you can start arranging your table visuals in Power BI, dragging in these new measures for instant analysis. Want it in a matrix, prefer a chart or graph? It's totally up to you. Power BI's flexibility really shines here, and that's pretty much it. You can now do all your favorite Excel-like conditional sums and counts right inside Power BI. If you have any questions or want to see more tips like this, drop a comment below. I always read them. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more Power BI and data tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.